Okay, Saturday, February 2nd. Taking a quick video of the M931 for a fellow named Steve in New York who has an interest in purchasing it. I'm going to say it's about 28 degrees outside. Truck hasn't been run in roughly about 3 weeks, I think. So we'll see what it does for starting up. Hopefully it'll cooperate. I don't see any reasons why it shouldn't. But Steve, if you see this video, I'm just going to read off the hours. The hour meter says 1,883. The odometer says 849 miles. That's about what we're looking at. Turn the battery on here. Let's see if we can't get this thing to fire. Just going to give it a little shot of ether. See what happens here. I'm going to set the camera down for just a second. And she's alive. A little smoky outside. Not too bad. She does come to life. Might need, could need some batteries at some point in time, but for the most part, it seems like it wants to fire right up. Not bad for being so cold out. Keep an eye on our gauges here. Our oil pressure came right up. The left fuel tank seems to have about a half tank of fuel in it. Wait for the air pressure to come up so we can take it for a little spin around the barn here. Can't really take it too far, it's not insured. Can't really get it on the road. See the air pressure is just about 40 psi at this point. It's building up. I want to get it to to about 120 to get driving. The cab does have a heater. Not quite sure if it works. I know the blower works. Access panel down here. Don't really know what it's for. I guess we're checking the transmission fluid. About 90 pounds on the air pressure. take some video here. We got still just about 100 pounds on the air pressure, both primary and secondary. About 100 pounds of oil pressure. Don't think we're going to get the temperature to come up a whole lot today. Turn the blower on. Probably can't hear it, but it does work. Spring brake emergency is functioning. I don't know if you'll be able to read these gauges, but I'll hit the brake. Just pumping the air brake and holding it. Let go of the brake, hit it again. Seems like it dropped down around, down to about 110 pounds. Building right back up. Well, we cool that warm enough and we'll take the e-brake off and drive it around the barn. We're going to call this the end of the video. Running out of time. I got to turn this thing around.